Hello everyone, so here's Kickstarter app. This is the app on iOS, on iPhone. Of course, probably you know Kickstarter.com website. But it's much easier actually to use the app. And it's just on your fingertips, and I will just show you a quick tutorial how the app looks like in case you haven't used it. Yeah, so there is a home feed explore where you can see all the interesting products recommended to you. There are popular products. So for people who are completely new to Kickstarter, this is like a crowdfunding platform, one of the top platforms in the world. And then you just have different products here, different campaigns, and people raising money. A lot of these here are just some board games, some games, dice games. But there are also very like serious projects and some startups, and you just step back this project, pledge without a reward, and then you can select different types of pledges, and then you can see all these rewards which you can get. Sometimes, for example, if you pledge like some amount, you can get this product ahead of the queue. So for example, there is some electric bike being developed, which is really cool. You can back it early in the process, and when it's released you can buy it for like 50% of the price and very fast or something like that. And then you can just go through the campaign, you can see all the videos, you can see all of the FAQs, you can read all of the risks here, so something like that. You can bookmark it, but for that you need to create your account. Create an account super easy. Just log in here on the mobile app with your Apple ID or like Google or Facebook, something like that, super fast. And then you don't even need like a website. I think it's just super easy. So you can see all the newest project. You can see at the moment it's converted $2,168 pledge of $3,000 goal. So you can see you can back this project 72% funded, 35% funded, 10% funded, 109% funded, ending soon. So you can also explore projects, you can search for them. This is your profile. Here you can have some messages, account. Something around that. But I'm not sure that if you can create projects on Kickstarter from the app, if it's possible to do so. So that's basically the idea. So that's the app. Hope that is helpful. That's just an app overview, and thank you for watching.